Oh, the suspense. Okay, to kick off, allow me to introduce to you CTO.ai, who are a computer software company founded by Kyle Campbell, who will illustrate how software that helps high-growth engineering teams adopt DevOps through the power of automation. Please give our first speaker of the day a very warm welcome. And a high five. There we go.
Hey everyone, I'm Kyle Campbell and I'm going to talk to you today about workflow automation for development teams. Our goal at CTO.ai is to automate away the hard things so that your developers can stay focused on shipping features that your customers love. Before I tell you about our platform, I'll tell you a little bit about our growth story. So we've quietly bootstrapped our business over the last 2 years to about 60 employees and 8 figures in revenue. That's about 280% in growth on the employee side and 400% growth year over year on the revenue side. On Monday, we just announced a seed funding of $7.5 million from Slack and Tiger Global. And we raised this money because we believe in developers. We believe that they can change the future of your business, and that when you invest in their success, it can dramatically change the trajectory of your business. But the future of software development isn't exactly certain. We all know it's really hard to hire the talent that you need. At the same time, there's a growing gap between generalist and specialist development talent. And the software that's coming out of these large cloud providers can feel like a snake swallowing an elephant for mid-market businesses. So, at the end of the day, access to technical talent is becoming a bigger threat than access to capital, according to the Stripe coefficient. And there's 300 billion lost every year in developer productivity. In the US alone, there'll be 1 million jobs left unfilled into the software development category in 2020. So our mission is to enable this next 60 million of developers to basically adopt development experiences that help your business grow very quickly. We do it by attacking the problem at its core. Developers spend a lot of time on non-core, critical, complex architecture tasks that could otherwise be spent working on code that you could ship to your customers to delight them. What we try to do is we offer a platform that your developers can come and install what we think of as shortcuts. It's the easy button for DevOps. They can install them into their team, and you can start to automate complex processes across the entire DevOps lifecycle very, very quickly. A junior developer, as an example, can deploy a complex Kubernetes cluster in about 15 minutes. I'm not joking. I tried this with my mother, and she was even able to do it. So our goal to create value in your business is to make it really easy for your engineering team to accomplish these very complex tasks. And what happens then is they're spending time focusing on your customer and not the plumbing of servers and infrastructure. If there's anything that I could communicate to you today that would really enhance our mission in the world, is that if you have a business that employs software developers, you should really invest in their success. You should think about the complex work that they're doing. You should invest into DevOps. And if you do, they will be way more successful in your business at delivering value. And this can be really, really valuable because it'll help you to hire, train, retain, and motivate the talent that you have access to and have to compete for in the market. DevOps is pretty complex. There's a lot of different categories. We've been doing DevOps for many, many years. I helped build some of the early shared hosting providers. And if you want to know more about how your team can implement DevOps and be successful, come check us out at booth 122, G122 in the growth area. And we'd love to meet you and just talk about DevOps. Thanks.